two-side two-station laminator. Accessories. You'll find the included accessories. 2 working tables A and B. There are 4 safety light curtains for both stations. 1 servo motor for the spindle, and 1 spindle coupling cover plate. Including screws, hex keys, screwdrivers, we also provide a 5 meters long Teflon fabric. There are feeding platform, a rubberized component. First install the feeding platform. Installation of the machine. First remove these 3 screws numbered 1, 2, and 3. There are spring washers 1, 2, 3 here. And another 1, 2, 3 here. After removing all screws, let's examine the workstations. This is Station A, and over there we can see Station B. This is Station B. Notice these buttons. This area has a start and a pause on working table A. On working table B, the same area has B start and B pause. 2 people should lift this B working table together. 1 person on each side and insert it into position. Align the screw holes properly, then we'll fasten the screws first. After installation of working table A and B, we need to mount the safety light curtains. Pay attention to their orientation during installation. The units with brand logos should be installed at Station B on both sides, while the unmarked ones go to Station A. This distinction is crucial. If installed incorrectly, the machine won't operate properly. Now unscrew these screws. There are pre-installed cables inside here. Reach through this bottom hole. To pull out the cable, then thread it through the top hole. The connector has a keyed slot. If oriented wrong, it won't insert properly. Push it firmly into place, then secure it with screws. There are 2 sets of cables here. 1 for the buttons start and pause connectors. Flip it upwards. Align. Good. After connecting, tighten the screws. After installing the light curtains, connect the button wiring. Remove these 2 screws first. Route the cable through here from bottom leading to the top. Once it's through, ignore the cable markings, just match red to red. And green to green. Make sure not to reverse the connections. There will be a big problem with reverse connection here. There's a locking slot here. We'll put it up. After tightening, cover this back. Button wiring completed. Next step. We need to pull out this operation table a bit. This operation table has a rubber curtain to install. Align it with the screw holes. We can start with both sides first. Put all screws in place before tightening them. After installing the blade, we'll tighten these screws. The installation of Station A is now completed. The installation of Station B is the same process. Next, we'll install the spindle servo motor. See this keyway on the spindle. The key must be properly aligned. The coupling has a slot. Align it before inserting. Check the direction, don't reverse it. After insertion, the cable connector should face this way. Rotate it if it won't turn. Try the opposite direction. Apply some force. After rotating to this position, install and secure the screws. All 4 of them first. After tightening the 4 flange screws on the spindle servo motor, we'll install the power cable and encoder cable. These cables have alignment slots. If the direction is wrong, the plug won't insert. After alignment, push firmly, open the rubber cover, align the slot, then insert. Tighten the nut. Now the spindle motor is temporarily installed. For the coupling, the 2 upper screws aren't tightened yet. We'll power on first to rotate the screw heads out for wrench access. There's a cover panel for later installation after power on. Next, we'll connect power cables. First, use this key to open the control cabinet. Here's an access panel. Press it. After opening, we see the machine's control unit. The main cable connects here. See these RST markings, these are for neutral and 3-phase wires, clearly labeled. Voltage is 380 volts 3-phase. Ground wire connects here. Feed the cable from below. We require 5 core 10 square millimeters cable, 1 neutral, 1 ground. 3-phase wires, minimum 10 square millimeters for phases. Okay, first connect the ground this P terminal. Look, the 3 yellow wires correspond to live wires. Make sure not to mix them up. If the neutral and live wires are reversed, it could burn out electronic components. Okay, after connecting and tightening them, give them a manual shake to check for looseness. There should be no play or wobbling. After completing the wiring, we'll connect the air hose. Open this door for the air port. The air pipe should come up through the bottom hole and connect here. If this filter valve won't fit, We require a 10 mm diameter air pipe. Standard pressure must be 0.6 MPa. Ensure proper connection to prevent air leaks. After connecting, observe the pressure gauge showing 0. Our standard operating pressure is 0.6 MPa, never exceed 0.8 MPa. Lift this top cap to rotate and adjust the pressure setting. Set it to 0.6, then replace the cap. OK. Now for electrical connection, this is a quick connect plug. Some models require circuit breaker installation here. This must be performed by a certified electrician with proper qualifications. After power connection, close the circuit breaker. The next critical step is verifying correct wiring. Use a multimeter set to AC voltage mode. Checking these two standard voltage should be 380 volts. It reads slightly high. Voltage must never exceed 420 volts or drop below 360 volts. Standard. Checking other phases for 0 volts here. Now measuring voltage between live and neutral, 230 volts. 233 volts is acceptable. Must not exceed 240 volts. After completing all voltage and phase sequence measurements, we'll turn on the main circuit breaker on the machine.